how to make only specific friends can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your profile picture on Facebook Lite. First thing, click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile, and now click on it again here on your profile picture and click view profile picture. Now click these 3 points in the top corner and now just click edit privacy and click see more and click specific friends. Now just select them and then just click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.